breaking news. Today is the day to be patient and find your peace. And this habit is the strategy your time right for self-healing. Question today lies on what do you do? What do you do? You've tried all the things you know. You've tried to make the situation better. You've tried all your best, but things are staying the same. So what do you do? What do you do? Well, it's simple. It's easy. You wait. You wait. You wait. When there is patience, there is peace. So when you keep your peace and you are patient, you renew your strength. And when you are in that moment of waiting and being patient, you get better. When you're in that moment of waiting with patience, keeping your peace, you become stronger. When you're in that moment when you're waiting and you are refreshing your strength and you are patient, I guarantee you just become better because you are being prepared for that moment that you are asking for. That's where the patience and the peace, the waiting is for. So wait, be patient, and keep your peace. And when you keep your peace, everything that you have ever wished for, everything that you have ever asked for is going to fall right into place on the right time. And all of it is going to be yours. So wait, be patient, and keep your peace. Because today is the day. Whether you like it or not, report It's a Sunrise if you go down and give this video a like. Yes, it's an amazing joy day. If you can subscribe to our channel, like him on Facebook page so that you don't miss any of our multiple inspiring weekly content. And it's gonna be a sunset if you go down. Yes, comment right down below. Let us know how you like this video and how you can help us create better content for you. This is gonna really be helpful. Thank you very much. For me, G.A.M.E. I'll see you again in the next one. So be amazing, be kind, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'll see ya.